Hi, it's Mike Woods here, the Property Expert Partnership, and welcome back to Woodland Cottage. For those of you who've seen the previous videos that I've done, my previous video showed you how I completely refurbished this property, full strip out, and also in the deal I did with this cottage, I actually got a plot next door as well with it, which came with outline planning permission. So today I'm going to take you through the latest progress on this new build. The previous one I showed you where we were up to DPC, and we'd gone and put the foundations in, the substructures, and now we're into the superstructures. So just bear with me as I take you across the plot. This is the driveway that we're bringing the cars into. So this sort of driveway here will service the cottage, and this curb line here is going to be the boundary demarcation for this plot. So those of you who've seen the previous videos would have seen that we did the excavations. We put reinforced strip foundations in, which we trench filled. We then brought our blockwork up, infilled with our stone hardcore. We then put a concrete slab down, and we have not yet insulated. So we haven't yet insulated the floor. We're going to do the insulation on the floor on the top side of the concrete slab. As some of you will know, usually, or the option is to put the insulation under the slab. But because we're going to be putting underfloor heating in here, we're going to do it the other way around. So as you can see, we've used a timber frame construction here, and my team are great at what they do. So rather than order the timber frame in from a timber frame manufacturer, we did what we called stick built it. So I employed an engineer, we got the design done. I designed the actual house, but he designed the structural calculations to make sure this can stay up on paper in terms of its calculations for building regulations. And then we went ahead and stick built it. So that's what it's looking like, and I'm really pleased. Let me take you a bit further back, maybe you can get a better aspect on it. But that's where we're at now. The roof covering has started just recently on the Thursday, Friday last week, and we're ploughing on. Now, I've gone for this tile. It's a particular tile that I've used for many years. It's a composite tile, not a concrete tile. Concrete tiles are heavier, but this has got a nice thin edge, and it's a slate effect, it's a composite slate. And I really like this tile, so that's why I've decided to use this. So what we're going to do here, we're going to have a stone porchway on the front of the property, and that's why we've sort of left that construction as it is now, because as you know, with the timber frame, you put the frame up, which is the load bearing structure, and then you come around the outside with your outer skin, your weather skin, which is the blockwork. So let me take you inside. It's going to be a little bit dark inside, so let's hope that we're going to be able to give you an idea of what's going on. So last week we did all the dry lining, or the stud work, the internal stud work, and then what we've done is we started plasterboarding. So just to show you, this is my hallway. I designed this myself, as some of you know. So this is my hallway. So rather than keeping it sort of narrow at 900 or a metre, or even 1200, I've decided to go the best part of 2 meters here. So it's a nice open hallway for this 2-bedroom bungalow. This room on the right here is going to be my kitchen. And that area there where we started to board, that's going to be where the run of units are. So we've plied this wall here to give ourselves a fixing for the kitchen units. That area there is going to be my back door and a window. Of course, when we put the timber frame up, we've boarded straight over. So that's where the windows are going to go. But if we board it, that gives us our weather protection in the short term before the windows go in. Now, as you probably know, we can't put the windows in yet. We have to wait to put the windows in. So there's my soil pipe. My first fix is already done. So if you can see in the corner there, my plumber has already put his copper pipe work in, and the electrician has already put his first fix cabling in. There's a little bit more of it. So this is the lighting cabling for the hallway and the kitchen. So if I take you through, we've got a cupboard here, which is going to be for my cylinder. This is the master bedroom, or the main bedroom, 2 bedrooms here. So this is bedroom 1. We've got a window looking out that way. Behind me here, we've got our bathroom and we've got our soil cut out ready. And again, my pipe work is done. Second bedroom over here, window over there looking that way. And then coming in on the left-hand side, coming through from the hallway is my lounge. So it's a very, very nice size lounge this. I've got a window looking to the side and I've got a window looking to the front. So there you go. Any questions, you know I'm more than welcome to answer them. Anything to do with the construction, the way I've done something, the way I've done the stick-built timber frame, the way I've done the reinforced concrete foundation, why I've put the slab down first and the installations come later. Anything you need to know, you know I'm more than open to questions. So just let me know if you need to know anything. It's Mike Woods, the Property Expert Partnership. And drop a question anywhere you need to go. So, okay, all the very best. Bye-bye.